this is Sally from Silhouette Studio Squad. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about how to trace items in your studio software. It's very simple. So all you'll need to do, I'm just going to shrink down the software for now, and what I tend to do is type in free in Google. So if you want, say we're looking for a reindeer this afternoon, I've typed in reindeer free vector, go to the images, and you'll have a selection of images that are free to use. If you want to double check that they are royalty free and in the public domain, you can go to settings and advanced search, and you can, where it says usage rights here, you can go to free to use, share or modify, even commercially. So then we know we're safe and we're not treading on anyone's toes trademark or copyright wise, because anyone can use these images. So I thought maybe we can, oh, that one looks a bit complicated, maybe this one, Santa's sleigh and reindeer. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to right click, and on my MacBook Pro I can copy the image and I can paste that straight into my Silhouette Studio. However, on my desktop computer I can't do that, it won't do that. So if yours won't do it, then just save it. So you would right click and save image as, save it in a file, and then drag it from there into your Silhouette software. So I'm going to go hop straight over to a blank page, and then I'm going to right click and paste, and there is Santa and his reindeers. Now this file is JPEG, I believe. Well, it says public domain vectors. I'm not sure quite what format it's in, but that won't cut. This will not be a cut file, so we need to turn it into a file that your Cameo or your Portrait or your Curio will recognise to cut. So the way you can check if it's a cut file or not, by the way, is to go to your send, and that will show you. So that would just cut out that rectangle. So go back to design. So we need to go to the trace panel, which is there. Left click that and it opens up the whole host of trace features. Select trace area and then left click and drag over the area you'd like to trace, and it should turn yellow. Now the best pictures, photos to trace are the ones that have a white or pale background and the image is black or dark colours. If you've got light colours, it's not great at tracing them. What you can do then is, I mean, that's come out pretty well, but you can go up the threshold just to make it a little bit more. You might be able to see here how it's changing it a little bit. If you take it too far, it will blur it. So just take it where you think it's going to create good cut lines, and then you would just by magic click trace. Sometimes it takes a few seconds or so, and then we can left click and drag away the original image. Now you can do with that what you like. You can delete it, or you can, I just tend to leave it to one side in case there's a problem, and then it's easier to find it again rather than going back to Google. So left click that, and then you can just you can do with it what you like, really. You can fill it and change the line on it, and then this, if you go to send, there you can see that is what it will cut out. If you wanted to show that up as a golden Father Christmas, go to the fill. Now I have in here the patterns, quite a few of these I've got or bought from the internet. So you've got we might want a purple paisley. Father Christmas, we might want a Scandinavian. That's pretty good. We might want a gold glitter. Father Christmas, I'm quite liking that, so I'm going to stick with that one. So that's all it takes, really. Obviously then, if you are going to send that to heat transfer vinyl, HTV, that would need flipping, and then you need to size what if that's going across the front of a t-shirt, then you need to size it. So open your page setup, reveal your grid lines, and you can see how many inches of vinyl you need, and then you would go to the send, make sure your settings are what they need to be, and then send it to your Cameo cutter, and that's all there is to it. I hope you're enjoying these little videos. Feel free to watch the others. We are adding more weekly, and there's lots and lots more to learn. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.